Close your eyes. Okay, so I've already washed Aiden and Austin's hair. His hair is damp right now, so I'm going to go ahead and throw in this leave-in conditioner by Creole Belle Organics. And I'm really going to get it in good in his roots and saturate his hair with it. And then I'm going to seal it with some coconut oil, and I'm going to use a generous amount of that as well because his natural hair is like a little sponge and it soaks up everything. So I use extra products when it comes to like leave-ins and oils. Like, it looks like I didn't put anything in his hair at all, but trust me, it's very oiled, very moisturized, very, very healthy. I'm going to go in with this curling custard on top of the leave-in and the oil, and I'm just going to be combing through his hair and adding the curling custard. That is such a tongue tie. I'm going to be adding the curling custard to each strand as I twist. This is in no specific way. This is not a specific 2-strand tutorial. This is just how I get their hair moisturized. So basically I do the lock method by doing the leave-ins and the oils and the custards or whatever and the creams. So I'm just twisting his hair because it's going to be a protective style so that it can be moisturized. And as you can see, this curling custard really defines his curls. So if you're looking to define your curls, this would be a good cream to use on your hair. However, I'm just using it to help aid in curling his hair and getting his hair moisturized. And I'm not parting or doing anything specific. I'm just really trying to get his hair together to get hydrated. Okay, I'm just letting y'all know. Getting these videos out to y'all is a struggle. My belly's so heavy, I be having to sit down and... Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead in with this Lusty olive oil hair mayonnaise too. It is a dollar store product, but it provides so much slip, and I needed more slip in his hair because I didn't want the custard to overpower the oils that were put in. So yeah, I went on ahead and added just a little bit of that to the rest of his hair. So that's what I'm going to be using along with the oil and the curling custard. And I'm just going to continue to twist from here. So at this stage, this is how I know that the boy's hair is healthy and hydrated. Their twists are thick and juicy, and that's exactly how healthy hydrated hair looks. And it curls at the ends without me having to do much, and it's holding the product well. So Aiden just got out the shower. This is literally 2 weeks later after him having in the twist. So like I said, it was a protective style so his hair can be moisturized. Now 2 weeks later, he's washed his hair with the twist still in, and I'm just taking them out. His hair is damp right now, so that's why his curls are not super defined. But if this was dry, his curls would be super curly right now.
Do you remember me in a year? Just say yes.
Yes.
Do you remember at school?
Yes.
Have you robbed a bank?
No.
Why are you holding up a gun?
You got that from YouTube, didn't you?
No.
Where'd you get it from?
One of my friends, Daddy.
So I'm going to continue to take all of these twists down. Like I said, it's still damp, so I'm going to add some oil to it. No, I'm going to add a lot of oil to it because like I told y'all, their hair is like little sponges and soaks up everything. So I have to make sure that it's moisturized. So especially Aiden, because he has color treated hair. So I'm going to spray a whole bunch of this lustrous pink oil sheen in his hair. Add a little bit of coconut oil and then pick it out. And this is the finished look on Aiden. There are no real defined curls on his head because like I said, his twists were already damp when we took them down, so they were going to be fuzzy. And he didn't mind because he rather have a messy fro. So this is the look that he really wanted. So we're just going to freshen up his messy fro. Dad gave him a lining, and then we're going to switch on over to Austin. He's going to have the same hairstyle, so I'm going to rush through his. You won't even see me twist his. I'm just going to be taking it down and, you know, showing you the finished results for his hair as well. But it's the same exact process as Aiden's.
Don't know. It's too fluffy.
It's supposed to be.
Oh, okay.
Just let your show blow.
Be a man. Be a man. Really? That was Bye.
Hey, get up. All right.